Microsoft Copilot and Artificial Intelligence, AI, a comprehensive overview. Introduction. Understanding AI and its role in Microsoft Copilot. What is AI? How AI powers Microsoft Copilot. Key features of Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot. Dynamics 365 Copilot. Power Platform Copilot. Real-world case studies of Microsoft Copilot in action. Enterprise Productivity Improvement, a global consulting firm. Customer Service Optimization, a telecom company. Business Intelligence Transformation, a retail chain. Comparison, AI agents, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. 1. Introduction. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows across Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and the Power Platform. It leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to assist users in various tasks, making it a powerful tool for businesses and professionals. Key benefits of Microsoft Copilot. Automates repetitive tasks, reduces time spent on manual work. Enhances productivity, provides smart suggestions and automates workflows. Improves decision-making, analyzes data and offers actionable insights. Seamless integration, works across Microsoft applications without additional setup. Boosts creativity, assists in content generation, presentation design, and more. 2. Understanding AI and its role in Microsoft Copilot. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI can be categorized into machine learning, ML AI systems improved by learning from data. Natural language processing, NLP enables AI to understand and generate human-like text. Generative AI creates new content, such as text, images, and code. Predictive analytics forecasts trends based on historical data. How AI powers Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is built on AI models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Microsoft's proprietary AI. It enhances user productivity by generating content, drafting documents, emails, and presentations. Analyzing data, summarizing reports and providing key insights. Automating workflows, reducing manual work through AI-driven automation. Providing intelligent responses, answering queries in a conversational manner. 3 key features of Microsoft Copilot. 1. Microsoft 365 Copilot. Integrates AI into everyday business applications. Word assists in writing and summarizing content. Excel helps analyze data, generate formulas, and create visual reports. PowerPoint designs presentations and suggests layouts. Outlook drafts emails, prioritizes messages, and suggests responses. Teams summarizes meetings and provides real-time collaboration insights. 2. Dynamics 365 Copilot. Enhances business operations with AI-driven automation. Sales and marketing drafts emails, summarizes sales meetings, and provides insights. Customer service automates responses and enhances customer interactions. Finance and operations supports financial forecasting and risk analysis. 3. Power Platform Copilot. Simplifies app development and automation. Power Automate enables workflow automation through natural language commands. Power Apps assists in app creation with AI-generated suggestions. Power BI provides data-driven insights and predictive analytics. For real-world case studies of Microsoft Copilot in action. 1. Enterprise Productivity Improvement, a global consulting firm. Challenge: employees spent excessive time drafting reports and analyzing data. Solution: integrated Microsoft 365 Copilot for automated document generation. Outcome: Heavy checkmark reduced report creation time by 40%. Heavy checkmark improved accuracy in market analysis and financial reports. Heavy checkmark increased collaboration with AI-generated team summaries. 2. Customer service optimization, a telecom company. Challenge: high customer service workload led to slow response times. Solution: deployed Dynamics 365 Copilot for automated query responses. Outcome: heavy checkmark 30% reduction in response times. Heavy checkmark 25% increase in first contact resolution rates. Heavy checkmark enhanced customer satisfaction due to faster, more accurate responses. 3. Business intelligence transformation, a retail chain. Challenge: lack of insights into sales trends and inventory management. Solution: implemented Power BI Copilot for automated sales reports. Outcome: heavy checkmark 20% improvement in sales forecasting accuracy. Heavy checkmark 10+ hours per week saved on data analysis. Heavy checkmark optimized stock levels, reducing waste. 5. Comparison: AI agents, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. 1. AI agents, e.g., Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Primary use: task automation and voice commands. Strengths: hands-free assistance for basic queries. Limitations: limited adaptability for business applications. 2. ChatGPT, conversational AI by OpenAI. Primary use: answering questions, writing content, and coding help. Strengths: flexible, conversational, and widely applicable. Limitations: lacks deep integration with business workflows. 3. Microsoft Copilot. Primary use: enhancing productivity and automation in Microsoft applications. Strengths: business-focused AI with deep integration in Microsoft tools. Limitations: primarily available